Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. Recently, I did a video on this Quen2 audio model, and previously I have covered some of the Mamba model on the channel, which are the state space models. In both of those models, there were a few comments which I got frequently. People also reached out on other avenues, and the issue was around the installation of these two packages. One was this Mamba SSM, and the other one was Causal-Conv1d package. People were getting this error or similar errors as they were trying to install them. So in this video, I'm going to show you the solution of it, and after the end of the video, you should be able to run them without any hitch. So let me clear the screen. First up, what exactly these packages are. So the Mamba SSM or Mamba SSM is a new state space model architecture that promises performance on information dense data such as language modeling, where previous models fall short of transformers. This SSM is based on the line of progress on the structured state space model, and I already have covered it in great detail on the channel. So just please search with SSM or with Mamba. Whereas the other package, which is Causal-Conv1d, is also very interesting. It is a type of CNN layer, or basically convolutional neural network layer that processes sequential data such as time series or audio signals in a causal manner. Causal means that the layer only considers past inputs when generating outputs, ensuring that future inputs do not influence the current output. Okay, so now you know what exactly is meant by both of these. Let me now show you the solution. So first and foremost, make sure that you have torch and transformers installed, and it is always good idea to install accelerate. And you can see that for transformers, I am installing it from the source with pip. That is very important because most of these state space model require you the latest version of it. So let's wait for it to get installed. This takes around 2 to 3 minutes depending upon your system. So the prerequisites are done. Now let's first install this package, which is Causal-Conv1d, and the trick here is that instead of just doing pip install this Causal-Conv1d, install it from the source with this full URL. So let me run it. It is building the wheels for it, and it is going to take 4 to 5 minutes, so just be patient with it. And after 5 or 6 minutes, you can see that it has installed it along with Ninja and other stuff. Now we need to install Mamba-SSM package. For that, I would highly suggest that you run this first, which installs GCC compiler and CUDA. Of course, you will be using GPU for this. Now you can, um, if by installing that previous one, the causal one, if you get an error about NVCC, then before that run these two commands. So let me run them. But normally I run it before Mamba-SSM, but if you are getting any error for the earlier one, you can run it as a first go. So let's wait for it to get installed. It is just simply installing GCC compiler for Linux and the CUDA from NVIDIA's channel. And now in order to install the Mamba-SSM, first you need to git clone the repo of Mamba. So I'm git cloning it, and now I have seeded into it. And then all you need to do is to run the following command, which I'm going to paste it here. Make sure that you put this dot at the end and then simply press enter. Again, it is going to take a couple of minutes or maybe 3 or 4 minutes. So let's wait. And Mamba SSM is also installed. You can also verify the versions by simply doing something like pip show and then name of the package Causal-Conv1d, and you can see that it is on the latest version. Similarly, you can check the Mamba SSM version by doing something like this. There you go. So this is how you can install all of these on Linux. Same will go on the Windows too, but make sure that you have Conda installed, because and if you don't have Conda, just make sure that you follow the same with the torch and all this stuff. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Before I let you go, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentQL. AgentQL is a query language that turns any web page into a data source. With its Python SDK and live debugging tool, you can scrape and interact with web content. AgentQL works on any page, it is resilient, it is reusable, and it structures the output according to the shape of your query. That's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.